Hello YouTube, Jeremy Patrick Martin here, and I'm going to be unboxing the Cottonelle Superior Clean, Ultra Clean Care, Strong, Soft, and Effective Toilet Tissue with cleaning ripples to dig in and get all that extra cleaning power going on. This is a 12 double roll, which really means it equals 24 rolls all together, and it's good for your planet. It's also multilingual, more than just English. And the packaging is quite pleasant and effective. Clog safe and septic safe as well. And we're going to open this sucker up right now and pull out the rip snort. And we're going to test these out right here, right now. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Nice and soft. Oh, yeah. Well, my brothers and sisters, Cottonelle is a really good choice if you're looking for good quality bathroom tissue. Let's get a good little close-up on that again right there. All right, my brothers and sisters, Google on.